The continuity of the equipment grinding conductor is essential to a safe system. The entirety of the electrical installation is a system. All right, if circuit conductors are spliced within a box or terminated on equipment within or supported by a box, all wire type equipment grinding conductors associated with any of those circuit conductors shall be connected within the box or to the box in accordance with Articles 250.8 and 250.148A through D. Specifically, I'm looking at B, equipment grinding conductor continuity. And again, this is from the 2020 NEC and its companion 2021 IRC, where it states the arrangement of grinding connections shall be such that the disconnection or the removal of a luminaire, receptacle, or other device fed from the box does not interrupt the electrical continuity of the equipment grinding conductors, providing an effective ground fault current path. Now, these connections within a box specifically can be done by use of a barrel or splice crimps, or the greenies you see here in the photograph, or just a wire nut with a pigtail off of it. The main thing is they've all got to be connected together. Okay, so that's the thing that people seem to be missing, and there are some exceptions, but they're very few. Now, I myself, I like the greenies. I think it just looks very professional. It's not required. It's not anything required like that from the NEC. There's no color code for the wire nut. It doesn't have to be green. But it makes it so much easier. If you're going in and doing service work later, you can quickly identify where the equipment grinding conductors are all tied together. And the box type makes a difference. If it's a metal box, we got to have a connection for that box, so that box should not accidentally become energized. Of course, a plastic box, there's no need to worry about making an equipment grinding conductor connection to a plastic box. So I spoke before about, there are some exceptions to these rules, and it's pretty limited. The wires, if they just pass through the box without being cut or joined, I'm talking about conductors, then there's no need to pick up that equipment grinding conductor. And if you have isolated grounds, such as, you're specifically going to a piece of equipment, such as a computer or some other very sensitive electrical piece of equipment, there are exceptions in the code for that as well. So these are all worth looking into. I encourage you to get out your code books and get out your commentaries and look at all that. We have links in our descriptions for those as we continue here. But please remember to subscribe to this channel. I appreciate that. And that concludes this series that we have on NM cable. We'll have more extended series in the future, and we ask that you keep an eye out for that. If you can subscribe to the channel, like and share, provide me any comments. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.